Hello, good night. I'm here to present you a new version of McThings. The version is the 0.30.0, and in this version we have worked in the ability to interact with the scenes. So you can do things inside Minecraft, and these actions that you do inside Minecraft are reflected in the scenes. So the source code for this example is already in the repository, and I have here the sample that is in this directory. If you want to find it, it's in the scenes. Inside this directory there's one called utils, and in this one this is the scene interactive.py. I have put it here because it's not a notebook. It is a Python program, okay? And I'm going to execute it so you can understand the possibilities. So I start the program, and the first thing, the full scene is build and unbuild, okay? And here you can see the logs that no action are inside Minecraft. So I can go here to Minecraft, and we are here in a platform created with glass, so we can see the scenes without problems, okay? And I'm going to interact with the scenes. We have here 3 blocks. If you hit the glass block, you build the things exactly as they are in the original scenes. For example, in the original scenes we have a river, is the first element in the scenes. So one thing that is very important, in order to interact with events, you need to use the sword. If you can see that, I'm going to put it here, this word. I have selected it. So here you can see that I'm having the goodest word, okay? With this one you need to hit the block using the right button of the mouse. This is important because if not, the events are not generated, okay? So here you can see the logs here, no action, no action, no action. Let's do an action that is using the right button hit in this block with the sword, okay? So if I do that, I'm here, then the first element of the scene is created, the river, and I can continue creating the rest of the scene. This is the same scenes that we created for the 0.10 version, okay? And I can start building the bridges, okay? And I can build the lines at both sides of the river and the houses. And for example, imagine that you want to build the houses here using bedrock. You can go here and say, okay, please use bedrock instead of the default block that is the brick. And now you have here bedrock. You can also go to the previous step. If you do double click here, double click here in this block, I can do, and then the last element in the scene is removed. And you can, for example, redo it. For example, this time using the original block that is, for example, brick. I can do it. So here you have it, and you can continue building the rest of the scene from here, okay? So with that, you can see pretty visually that the scenes we are doing scenes step by step, and we can reproduce it interacting with it. Okay, so that's all. I hope that you enjoy this new feature, that you test it and play with it. Okay, good night.